Good evening. Welcome to the next video MS Excel. Let us talk about the next feature of MS Excel. We are on the Home tab. So the next point is you can see on your screen. This is the list of one student, the student A, and this is the list of their his marks, the scorecard. Suppose he is the student of the 10th class, and in 10th class, 4 times exam has been conducted by the school. The exam 1, exam 2, exam 3 and exam 4. Exam 1, as you can see, it was the maximum marks was the 50. So whatever he scored, student A, he scored out of the 50. The same exam 3 also have the maximum marks the 50. Whereas the exam 2nd and exam 4 time, the final exam, it was the score of 100. Maximum marks was 100 in case of 2nd and 4th, and in case of 1st and 3rd the maximum marks was 50. And these are the marks scored by student A. In math he scored first in the first exam. When the first exam was conducted, it was out of 50, he scored 36 in math and English, Hindi, SS and science. So these are the marks. SS I am talking about the social science. The same in exam 2, this is the score of student A in exam 2, exam 3 and exam 4. Now what we have to do, we would like to calculate the total of marks, the sum of marks and percentage. And we calculate the percentage on 3 levels. The first on class wise, the first exam wise, the second subject wise, and the third percentage we calculate overall. So how it is possible? Very simple. First of all, we go on the exam first. We select all. We select all the data and we go on auto sum. This is near to the short and the filter. We are talking about the home tab. This is the sum. Click on the sum. Sure, this is the 206. This 206 is the sum of these, exam, the score of student A, exam first in 5 subjects, math, Hindi, English, social science and the sciences. So this is the sum of what? This is the sum of these 5 subjects. The same, we go on the next one and we click on the auto sum, 409. The next one is select all. You select one more cell, 212. The next one is, this is the next one, 418. So this is the total exam wise. Now we calculate the total subject wise, the math, the score of the math in all 4 terms exams. That will be 246. The Hindi, this is the 262. Then the next subject is the English. And the last one is the science. Now we get the aggregate marks. This aggregate marks will be, it should be equal from the both side, the horizontal and the vertical side. Means if we get the sum from this side or we get the total from this side, it should be equal. If it is not equal, it means some problems are here, some calculation problem is here. So the total marks, student A scored total marks in all 5 subjects and in all 4 terms exam, the total is 1245. So now we calculate the percentage. Till time we calculate the sum. How we get the sum? How we add all the marks? With the help of this auto sum, go on the auto sum and click on the sum. Now point is how to get the percentage. For percentage, first of all, not only the percentage, for any, if you would like to implement any formula in MS Excel, remember it always start with the equal button. And this equal button is near to backspace on your keyboard, this equal. After that, you have to select the score marks. So there are two methods to select the score marks. Either you put your cursor at here, by automatically C9 will come. Point is why C9 come here. See, this is the two. We are talking about the 206. There are 5 subjects and every subject have 50 marks. So total marks will be in exam first 250. And out of 250, the student A scored 206. So what is the method to calculate the percentage? In general, the scored marks upon the total marks multiply by 100. So 206 is what? It is the scored marks. जितना बच्चे ए है, जो स्टूडेंट ए है उसका जितना जो स्कोर आया है, दैट इज द 206. और 206 किस पोजीशन पे है? दिस सेल इज ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ द अपवर्ड साइड द C and the left side onwards the 9. See, this is C, cell C. आप alphabetically देखें cell C, and if you see numerical point of view, it is 9. So that's why it is the C9. Upon you manually you can type C9 upon the aggregate marks is the 250. I already told you 5 subjects, 50 marks is total 250. The formula is scored marks. So C9 is the one kind of representative of 206. C9 upon 250 multiply, this is the sign of the multiply on your keyboard, by 100. Now the next is enter. Press the enter button. So this 82.4 is what? This is the percentage. In exam first term exam, every 5 subject have 50 maximum marks. The student A scored 206 marks. So 206 upon 250, percentage is 82.4, means he scored 82.4% marks. The same, we select all this one. No need to select actually, it's already 409. Show equal. This is the this 409 alphabetically wise D and numerically wise 9. So you can manually you can type here D9. Then divide by maximum marks. There are 5 subjects and second term exam, maximum marks was 100 each subject. So total 100 into 5, 500 marks. Multiply by 100. Enter. 81.80 is what? This is the percentage scored by A in second term exam. Every 5 subjects and every subject have maximum 100 marks. So the same exam 3 out of again 50, the equal. Then 212 is what? Alphabetically E cell, or numerically 9, cell number 9. So E9 upon 50 per subject, 5 subject, 250 multiply by 100, 84.8%. Again, so this is the same. In the same contest, you can calculate the subject wise marks. How is it possible? Click on the equal button, G4 upon, we are talking about the maths, out of 50, out of 100, out of 50, out of 100. So total out of 300. Multiply by 100, 82%. So you can calculate the percentage term wise exams, you can calculate the percentage subject wise. Now you can calculate the percentage on aggregate level. Like here we want the equal, the total aggregate marks is 1245 upon the maximum marks. Maximum marks, let us come, term exam first was the 250, sorry, come here, let us come here. 250, 500, 500, sorry, 250 again, and 500. So total aggregate marks, maximum marks are 1500, and student A scored 1245. So 1245, or sorry, this is the alphabetically G9. So G9 upon 1500 and multiply by 100, 83. So these are the 83% marks. Means in class 10 the student A scored 83% marks in 4 terms exams, 4 time exams, and 5 subjects. So like this you can calculate the marks. This is little bit lengthy method to calculate it, because we are on the initial stage and we have only one student. In the next video there will be suppose 40 students, 4 terms exams, and 5 subjects will be there, and I am sure you can calculate the total and the percentage within 2 minutes. One more formula will be there. We will discuss later on in the next video. So in this video this is all about to calculate the sum and the percentage of a particular student. Thank you.